Okay, so Ron here with Sebastian. Sebastian, good to see you this morning.
Good morning, Ron.
Yes, we're also with Mike. I'm not sure if Mike's phone, Mike's connect. Yeah, no, it doesn't work. Okay, no problem. So Mike is on the cell with me because his connection's not working. So allow me to share my screen. I'm going to be showing you some of the things to do on BZ9 platform, okay, for our replicated pages here that we're setting up for Monday or Tuesday. So can you see my screen, Mike? Okay, so you see the $10 MRR, right? 1900. Okay, well, if I click here to see it, it opens up this page on the BZ9. But basically what we want to do is we want to come in here. Okay, and I had already worked a little bit, just like prepared the page. Okay, so here I kind of center it, so the cursor's in the center. I can lower it down one notch. And here what we want to do, I'm going to do a demo example of uploading this here. And if I believe this is the $10 number, 6 is the 6th folder on the media file, right? Here, and just for the benefit of the doubt of Sam and Robert, who's watching this here, we'll open this up and we'll kind of just take a look at this. Okay, so what we're referring to here is the $10 download. This, no, it's on the $10 package. Okay, right here, right? The six folder right here, right? And we're talking about the software. So those are all the software names. Article Branders. So let's go back to your thing. Article Branders, right? So we're at the right place, correct? Okay, good. Now let's go on to BZ9 to go edit this. Hang on a sec. I thought we'd opened it up here. Okay, we're here. This is it, I believe. Not sure. You know what? I prefer closing all these because I'm not sure if I'm at the right place. Let me just because I want to make sure I'm not overwriting something else, Well, let me just scroll down. Okay. So you see here, $10 MMR download software, right?
Yes.
Oh, actually, I'm going to be just opening up the live page so that we don't have to. Okay, so this is the live page. Now we're logging in. So I click the pencil button to open the editor. Okay, now here, I just want to show you guys, okay, basically what I done is I copied all this here, okay, not the ebooks, but just the top part, okay. Now this here, it's either on a, it's not on a Word doc, but it's on a web page, but it's not in an HTML format because it's on a web page. This is live on the web. So what I need to do, I cannot drop it here, and since it's not an HTML, I cannot click on the source to release it here either because it's not an HTML. So what I want to do here is I could click here above. You see above there where it says WordPress or text? Okay, so what I could click either one. Okay, so let's say I click on the Word document. I release it here, and what I could edit a little bit here if I want, but it's easier to do it in the editor after. But ignore fonts definition, remove style definition. I have a tendency of removing everything. I click just to bring it in pure. So it doesn't bring, it brings in as less garbage as possible. So you see what happened now? Now it's in my HTML format editor. So here I will just increase the size. I'll put it into Hammer. I'll put it into large, click bold. So we're here. So here I just want to remove though, so I put my cursor and or I could actually, whoops. Okay, so now they're all done. Good. So now basically we want to back up. I'm just going to do the top one. Okay, now what we want to do is we need to copy this. Okay, but what I do is I want to put it blue, right? Because on the web, as a hyperlink, it's going to be blue, correct? Okay, now what I also need to do is I need to click here the planet with the two the chain. How do we say that in English? The chains, right? So we click the planet, we open it up, we release the .com. Okay, but what we need to do is you see here at the top, Sebastian, target.
Yes.
Okay, so I click target, and by default it's always not set. And when it's not set, what's going to happen if they're on our web page and if they click on that link, what's going to happen is they're going to leave this page and bring them to the other page. But we don't want that. We want to open up in a new window so that this page, whatever page it will be, if they click on that link, it's going to open up a separate page. So now this page here always stays open and available for them as well. Is that clear?
Okay.
So I basically just, better do that over again. So basically, you see this window here, Sebastian?
Yes.
The little window, we click there, and then we just got to scroll down and click Save. So now it's edited. Now what we want to do, go to the live page. We test it. We click on it. It opened up on another window, so we know that it's okay. And it stayed blue. So that's perfect. Because if it doesn't, sometimes it becomes purple. It happens sometimes that it turns purple. But so what we basically do, if it's purple, we basically come in here. We just highlight it again, click on the text color editor, and re-click on that blue right here. It's the second one below. That's the blue for the internet links. We click back to close the page, scroll down, click Save, and that's all it is. So if this button here was basically purple, well, it would have turned blue, but it would have stayed blue, and we basically just click on it to test it a second time. And if it was purple, it would have, if it was blue, but before it turned purple, well, you would have noticed that it stays blue, and it will always stay blue. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So here what I'm going to do is this is the software tool, but I think we could insert the templates too, right? Because there's not that much templates. But let me see. There's a lot of reports, huh? What about the template? Okay, these are the WordPress. So these are in the $25. Was there not any templates in the Mike inside the okay, let me double check because I am not convinced of that. I'll show you why. The templates was on a separate page. You see here, those are all the tools. Oh. No, I don't know. They're all here. Look, they're all here. Yeah, but that's okay. That's not a problem. Yeah, no, exactly. But I just wanted to show everybody that Rob and Sam can see that they're here, So you can just come back here, and after, look, I'm going to send you the HTML file of this page right here. So you'll be able to edit this. You'll be able to put the capitals on the first letters, and a little bit like I did at the top, Okay, now, so what we'll do, we'll let me just verify what else perhaps we could show as an edit that would be something different. Oh, perhaps I could show, Yeah. Well, we're not. Yes. Yes. Well, we'll be doing that in the next video when I'm going to be showing you example. I'm giving you an example how I'm going to have you example edit the buttons here. Yep, yep, exactly. And it's the same. And it's the same thing. Like when you example when you open up the page. Okay, it's as easy as because I know there's several videos in the media fire, you know. But basically, all you do is you just click on the particular picture, okay, which is right here. You see, I clicked it. When I click it, you see the square, okay. So you just basically come here, and that's where you come and edit it, okay. So, oh, and by the way, very important. Once you change the .com, you have to click OK. You see the OK there, Sebastian? Sebastian, you see the
Yes.
OK? Yeah,
Yes.
we have to click the OK, or else it's not, because if you click cancel, it didn't save it, you know? So if you're to change the .com, we have to click OK, and then it accepted it. Yet, we still have to come and click save to activate the save, you know? So when you do it here on the picture, you have to click OK to change, to lock in, yeah, to say, to lock in the new URL, but to actually save it on the page, we have to make sure that we click again this page as well to save the page. There's a double saving. You understand that, Sebastian?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so basically I'll just click save anyways, just because we want to close the page anyways. So what I'll do here is, Mike, um, I will close this video training, okay, and I'll prepare the next one that I'll show you how to go edit the how do you say that the bootcamp buzz like example page, you know? Yeah, it's just because I don't want to make the videos too long, you know? Yeah, okay, so I stop.